What's up, guys? Crypto Pyro, Big Boom Fireworks. We're about an hour away from the solar eclipse. We thought we were going to be rained out, but come to find out, the rain's gone and the sun might even decide to pop out. Popped the stand open, did a little personal shopping. I don't know if the sun's going to make it out or not. We're still pretty overcast, but it will definitely get dark. Hopefully we can get some shots with the moon going over the sun before we do the fireworks. We've got the 200 grams, we got a beech nut, Happy 49, a widow's kiss, a couple of 200 shot Saturn missiles, some more 200 grams, good 200 grams, booty chaser, and the bling bling. It's classic, but a goodie. A couple more Happy Shot 25s. I love the Saturn missile effects and the crackling tail effects, so I've pretty much tried to put those in every show I do. It was my dad's favorite. He passed away, and so that's kind of what I do to honor him. He was a big fireworks head, and he loved Saturn missiles, so you'll see a lot of Saturn missiles in my shows. But moving on to the 500 gram cakes, we're going to bust off 4 of them bad boys today. We got one from no other than Elite out of Houston, Texas. Got the Droid Fighter, and then we've got some Red Rhino Show Box. We got the Red Rhino Race Maker, and we got the Texas Outlaw Classic Intensity. We should be able to put a pretty good show together with all this. And then we've also got 4 shells we're going to bust off from ECLIPSE. Those are 60 grams. So it should be a pretty good one. Had fun shopping in the off season. And Big Boom's fireworks show. I know the shells look empty right now. But that's just because we have to pull everything down to move it around and everything. You see, you know, we got all this going on. But believe me, there's a big trailer full of fireworks right around the corner that are waiting to just fill these shelves up. Our next sale is actually going to be next week. We'll be celebrating San Jacinto Day here in Texas. So come see us then. We'll be out at Bolivar Peninsula April 19th, 20th, and 21st. All right, I'm going to go put a cake board together. I got about an hour to go. I just added these boards. Hopefully I can get a little bit of a V shape. Still got to get my 500 grams up. Still got to get these ran. As of now, we got Saturn missiles, Happy 25, 200, 200, 200, 200. And then we're going to have 400, 500, 500, 500, 500. 4 60 gram canister. Our finale board is all covered up right now. And we're getting rained out. We're not going to be able to get near the coverage that we were hoping to get. It is just coming down like crazy. But we are still going to fire this bad boy off. We're not taking this no for an answer. So you can see the water coming off behind the vehicles. But there it is. It's all covered up. It's super cloudy. We're almost to our totality. Oh, I don't know if it's going to get much darker than this. The sky is a crazy color. We are about to uncover everything. It's all soaking wet. And get ready to light this bad boy off as soon as it just gets a little bit darker.